Welcome to day 2 of advanced level of Sarthi Chains to Bolts Diabetes Management regime. Yesterday we concentrated on lower body and today we'll be focusing on core. As always said, core is an important part of your body and you have to balance, and the strength comes to the whole body from that side. So let's get into the exercise with Manish. Welcome. Thank you.
Are you ready to beat diabetes? So, are you ready for a change? Are you ready to sweat it out? 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. So today we'll start with a warm-up. So as warm-up is always important and essential. If you had did earlier session of our beginner level, you had seen we had did very light warm-up also. So this will be because you had did for the month, more than month you had did all these exercises. Now you are doing this. So hope this warm-up will be for next level of your exercises, which we will be showing further. So let's start with the warm-up. We will start from the head to toe. Slowly we will take all the body parts, we will mobilize it, loosen it. Okay, let's start with the head. Up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change left right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, side bend dynamically. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we will do the front, back, up, back. Front, back. Got it? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Next one, alternate toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, 1, 2. इससे आपका ग्रोइंग मोबिलाइज होएगा, एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मोबिलाइज योर ग्रोइंग बिफोर डूइंग, बिकॉज फिट एंड ग्रोइंग्स आर द इग्नोर्ड पार्ट. या रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन वी विल डू द हिप रोटेशन. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next one, for your ankle, up and down. 9, 10. Relax. With the another leg, we will do the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. If you want to take support, please take it. Not an issue. Relax. दूसरा पैर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one we will do for the hamstring. We will loosen the hamstring muscle. Just you have to stand and bend down. Your knee should be locked and swing. We will show. Yes. Make sure your knee should be locked. Yeah, you start. Yeah, you just swinging the hand. Make sure you are getting the stretch in your hamstring. You are loosening the hamstring muscles. Yeah, relax. Next one we will do few kicks. Front kick. 1, 2. आराम से करो. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है, कम होता है, चलेगा. इतना किया चलेगा. हाँ, कम किया तो भी चलेगा. बट लेग शुड बी स्ट्रेट. और पैर को टच करने के लिए अपने बॉडी को नीचे मत लेकर आओ. यस, दूसरे पैर का फ्रंट किक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to another leg. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spot jog. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, butt kick. You have to swing your hand. See his leg movement. He's trying to pull his leg behind and kicking behind as much as possible. Relax. Next one and the last one, we will do the high knee. Do it with the low intensity. First hold low intensity. Yeah, relax. Yes, इतना किया तो भी चलेगा. और जो थोड़ा और ऊपर फिर धीरे जितना, yes, इतना भी चलेगा. Don't do more than this. Yeah, you will do the relax. Okay, we are done with the warm up. Now we will start with our workout. Thank you. Hope you are ready for the workout. So today we have Mahzibin. So she will show how to do all the exercise of the core workout. She is very expert in doing all the core workout, and she is an ultra runner also and had ran many marathons. Yeah, so she will show all the exercises. So first exercise, she will show the mountain climber. How to do it? She will show. Yeah. First thing, your shoulder and palm should be in one line. Hip and heel. Hip, heel and shoulder in one line. It should not be down. It should not be down like this. Neither like this. Yes, it should be in one line and do the mountain climber. You have to just bring your leg front and back. Yeah, this is the slow motion how she is showing. And slowly you can gradually increase the pace like this. Okay, relax. Yeah, got it? This is how you have to do. Make sure your hip doesn't go too down, too up, और आपका shoulder और palm एक line में रहे. Ready? Yes. The first exercise, so she had already demonstrated she is doing just rotation, hip rotation. Yes, just small rotation like this. Yes, relax, relax. So first we will do one side. First we will do one side, then we will do the other side also. Yeah, ready? Let's start, miss.
Yes.
Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या होता है, धीरे धीरे हम लोग ऐसे नीचे चले जाते हैं. सो डोंट डू इट. या तो ऐसे चले जाते हैं बहुत ऊपर. डोंट डू लाइक दैट. जस्ट कीप कंटिन्यूइंग. लास्ट 6 सेकेंड. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We will take 10 second break. Then we will do the reverse. अभी जो साइड भी आपने किया था उसका रिवर्स साइड. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13. You can take rest in between. Show how to take rest. Yeah. Just relax your body. Just do like this. Not an issue. And again restart. Restart. Yeah. She can do it. Just she's showing how to take a break in between. Yes. Last 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Next one, we will do the jumping jack in the low plank position. Jumping jack in the low plank position. So first we will go in the low plank position. So yes. Now she will do the jumping jack. Jumping jack. 1, 2. Very slowly. और एक एक पैर भी कर सकते हैं. इससे नहीं होएगा, एक एक पैर कर सकते हैं एट ए टाइम. एक पैर बाहर, टैप आउट, इन, ऐसे दोनों पैर का करना साथ में. ऑल्टरनेटली. या गॉट इट. आपको कैसा करना है यू डिसाइड. या ग्रेजुअली. अगर नहीं होता है पहले कुछ हफ्ते ऐसे इजी वाला करो, फिर बाद में धीरे धीरे उसको आप फास्ट वाला कर सकते हैं. जंपिंग जैक टाइप. या टिल दैट टैप इन एंड आउट इज इनफ. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. स्लो वाला दिखाना उनको समझेगा. या टैप आउट एंड इन, टैप आउट एंड इन. एट अ टाइम वन लेग, एट अ टाइम वन लेग. या अनदर लेग. या alternate leg, alternate leg. Yes, you can do like this also. Last 6, 5, 4, 3. Relax. Yes. Next one, come to the high plank position. Come to the high plank position. Come to the high plank position. Yeah. You will do the high plank with the single leg. High plank in the single leg. Either you can keep leg like this or you can keep like this as per your convenience. Relax. Got it? If your shoulders are tired, just you can do like this. Okay? Relax. You are ready, miss?
Yes.
Yes. As always, she is always ready. Yeah. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the form? The form is very important. Her palm, shoulder, hip, heel, everything is in one line inclined. Yeah, last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So कौन सा करना है आपको डिसाइड कर लेना. ऐसे ऐसे. रिलैक्स. yes. अभी दूसरा पैर. 10 सेकंड का ब्रेक ले लो. टेक ब्रेक. लेट देम टेक ब्रेक. So they will do with us. They are ready? Let's start. Another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, the low plank, then we will do the side drops. Yeah? How to do? She will show. I will show once. See like this. You have to be like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah? She will also show. So you will get the side view. How perfectly you have to do. Because I was showing horizontally. May not able to. Yeah. Show. Yes. Okay. Relax. Got it? Ready? 3, 2, get back to low plank positions. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, last 15 seconds, 14, 13, 12. You can take break in between. Yeah, she's showing. So you can just relax your body like this. Just rotate the shoulder. Yeah, don't worry. Those who are continuing, just keep continuing. Last 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax. Come on, guys. Well done. This was great. Now we are done with all the exercise of the core workout. She had demonstrated. She had showed us how to take a break also. That is more important because in between many of you need break. So please take it. Rather than spoiling your form, do it properly, do it less. Yeah, thank you. As we finish our workout, it is always important to the cool down. As had explained earlier also, cool down is very important. Yeah, so we'll do the cool down also from your head to toe. We will show each exercise from head to toe will be 10 seconds, but you can do, if you have more time, you can do it for 20 to 30 seconds also. Yeah, this will make your body relaxed. You will feel like you can do all the workout again. Yeah, that is what the magic of the cool down or limb body. Yeah, okay. Let's start. Ready for the
Yes,
cool down?
yes.
Yeah. Let's start with the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. Yeah. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One we will do for the triceps. Yes, but to pull down like this. Yes. The way he is doing. You will get the stretch here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do side bend hold. Yeah? Static side bend रहेगा, hold रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, forward bend like this. आपके हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करना है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. 1, 2. ये देखो, ये हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कर रहा हूँ. तो आपको he is showing in the other direction. हिप को पीछे डायरेक्शन में किए तो आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. यस, रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, गो डाउन इन द सेंटर. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, he will show for the hip like this. In the lunges position, but static. Hold रखेंगे. आपके hip और glutes दोनों में stretch आएगा. हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा. हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट है. आगे वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है. पीछे वाला पैर भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. 4, 3, 2, 1. या दूसरे साइड करेंगे. अभी दूसरे साइड. 1, 2, अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट, नी 90 डिग्री. पीछे वाला पैर एक्सटेंड. हील डाउन टच नहीं है. रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, फॉरवर्ड बेंड. हाथ ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे और नीचे जाएंगे. आप गो डाउन स्लोली. यस, नी लॉक है. लेग स्ट्रेट है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बस अगर कोई अपना फोरहेड नी को टच कर सकता है वो भी कर सकते हैं. रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. अभी एक बैक के लिए करेंगे. जस्ट गो बैक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आप लोग जितना कर सकते हैं उतना ही करना. रिलैक्स रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, वी विल डू वन फॉर द ग्लूट्स. पैर ऐसे करेंगे और सिट डाउन. जितना भी नीचे बैक साइड. परफेक्ट. 1, 2. एक जगह पे देखो तो आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे ना एक जगह पे तो आपका हो जाएगा. 5, 4, 3, 2. अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. या विल डू फॉर द अनदर लेग. स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. One we will do for the groin. One we will do for the groin. Sit down like this and just stretch. आपके एल्बो से थाइस को बाहर की तरफ पुश करना है. 1, 2. You will feel the stretch in your groin. Groins मतलब ये part. Just you will feel the stretch there. Relax. That is most ignored part while doing any of the workout. Either warm up, cool down. So we had purposely included in our program. One we will do for the quads. You will just lift it. Again, आप एक जगह पे देखो नहीं होता है तो आप बैलेंस ले सकते हो. दीवार से चलेगा. या 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. दूसरे पैर के लिए 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do Trikonasana. क्रॉस ट्राइंगल पोज. परफेक्ट. ऊपर देखना है स्काई पे. यस, आप घर में कर रहे हो तो सीलिंग पे देखिए. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. अदर साइड. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next one, we will do few sitting exercises. Sitting stretches. यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ. आपका पैर इधर आएगा. Perfect. अभी just both the legs straight. Both the legs straight. Perfect. Just bend down. Forward bend. आपका जो ये पैर है ये जितना ग्राउंड की तरफ रहेगा उतना अच्छा है. या 5 4 3 2 1 रिलैक्स. या बटरफ्लाई बटरफ्लाई. थोड़ा मैट पे आ जाओ. हाँ ये चलेगा. नाउ जस्ट swing it. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. एक कैट कैमल करेंगे. कैट कैमल. एंड जस्ट आर्च आर्च. देखिए कैसे आर्च कर रहे हैं. यस. देन अगेन 2 4 to 5 टाइम. यस. बट डू इट वेरी स्लोली. This is for relaxing your back. This is very good for your back. Yes, so you must do it. Yeah, relax. Next one, you will sit in the Vajrasan. Sit. Yeah. Just press your body. Yes. Just sit down for 10 to 20 सेकेंड. हम लोग 10 सेकेंड के लिए ही करेंगे. रिलैक्स. कम अप. द लास्ट वन वी विल डू विद द ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज. इनहेल अप करेंगे और एक्सहेल डाउन करेंगे. इनहेल अप मतलब वो सांस अंदर लेके ऊपर जा रहे हैं और सांस छोड़ेंगे तो नीचे आ रहे हैं. वेरी स्लोली विथ हिज ब्रीदिंग रिदम. उनका हाथ भी ऊपर जा रहा है और ब्रीदिंग रिदम से ही जैसे एक्सहेल कर रहे हैं डाउन हो रहे हैं. इनहेल ले रहे हैं तो ऊपर. एक्सहेल तो डाउन. या रिलैक्स. होप यू एंजॉयड द सेशन एंड इफ यू haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more updates. We will keep posting many more videos for you and many other elements also. Yeah, thank you.